Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to integrate Trim with budgeting apps. Do you want to streamline your finances by connecting Trim with your favorite budgeting apps? Here's how you do it. First, open the Trim app and go to this settings menu. Then you're going to look for the option called integrations or connected apps. Next, you're going to see a list of popular budgeting apps like Mint, YNAB, and other Trim supports. Select the app that you want to connect with, for example Mint. You'll be prompted to log into your budgeting app account securely. After logging in, give Trim permission to synchronize your financial data with the budgeting app. This allows your transactions, budgets, financial insights all to update seamlessly across both apps. Once connected, Trim will help you to keep track of your expenses and savings goals in real time, and your budgeting app will have the latest info from Trim. If you ever want to disconnect, just head back to the integrations menu and unlink the app. And that's it. Now your finances are more connected and easier to manage. Coming up next, I'm going to show you guys how to export Trim data to Excel or Google Sheets. So be sure to like, comment, subscribe so you don't miss out. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.